Okay, so the back design, we have got all the same colours I've just mentioned. With this design, let's have a feel. Oh, nearly ruined the deck holder. Have two jokers on the bottom. Quite a nice design as well. Ace of spades, that looks good. And going through the deck, it's quite a nice design. To be honest with you, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all kind of the same. That's pretty cool. I kind of like these cards actually. I think they're only about $12.99 on Amazon. Ace of diamonds. Going through ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I really like these. Okay, so we've got two loyalty cards, whatever they are. Right, let's have a feel of the card. So let's try a fan. Ooh. I don't know if the light is going to be any good for this. So as you can see, they're quite slippery. I don't know if they're air cushion finished or a linoid finish. It's got to be one of the two. Let's just try and rearrange them all again. And here we go. That's better. Alright, let's try this fan again without letting them slip out my hand. So, I really like the back design. Let's fan them this way. So they show like a pink on the fan there. If we do a reverse fan, like a green colour. I think those are going to be the only two ways they fan. Or go backwards and forwards. I think they're really, really, really pretty. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, I really like these cards. I was thinking, should I buy them, should I not, should I buy them, should I not? And after receiving them, it's not an air, it is a bit of an air cushion finish, but only slightly. So I don't know how long they'll last for. Let's give it a quick. Very snappy. Got a nice little kit to them. I don't know how long they'll last for because they feel definitely thinner than bicycle cards. That's what probably better for you to have a description of bicycles because everyone's tried bicycles. Yeah, so they're thinner than the Bs and bicycles and Talios. And I was going to keep them in new deck holder, but after I dropped them and got them in dirty, I might as well see if they're riffled. I love them. Deck review, out of 10. Just for the back design, but I'm one that likes bright colours anyway, so I'll give that a 9. Overall feel, 8. Would I buy more? Not to perform with, just to mess about with, to be honest with you. It keeps me amused. So yeah, overall 8 out of 10. But yeah, I'll purchase them again. So if you like this deck review, please please like, subscribe and share. Peace out.